Break ID number 1691. 2017 Majestic Football 1-box break. So this one has one filler, good for 3 spots. Francisco and Robert. Go. Robert, SI. So here's the master. And go. Six left in encased. Wow, 3 free spots. Brad, NU, Francisco, CO, and Michael, LU. Nice, Matt. That's a gorgeous card. Majestic. Matthew Stafford to 99. Boy, I love these cards. Carson Palmer to 25. Jonathan Williams jersey to 99. Buffalo. Nick, BO. Dion Jordan to 125. Miami, Pete, SI. Paul Hornung to 50. Green Bay, Robert, SI. Four color patch to 75, Stephon Gilmore. Also Buffalo, Nick, BO. Nice vet auto to 25, Lewis Lips. Pittsburgh. Michael L.U. Auto to 49, Cameron Hayward, also Pittsburgh. Steelers. I just had it. Michael L.U. Oh my goodness. Short print auto, T.J. Watt to 25. Third Steelers auto in a row. Michael L.U. And love this one. Hall of Fame auto, super short print, red parallel, 2 of 5 on-card gold auto, Troy Aikman. Two of 5. Dallas, Aaron S.C. Very nice. So that's a fun break. There's 4 autos, 4 jerseys. High-end product. There's another one up there, along with that encased.